We are now in the countryside.
So beautiful.
I stole your line. Hey, how much power is on the Jackery? Or what percentage?
We have 89%.
89?
89%.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Look at all those roasted chickens. And the final product. Searching for the best one. What do you look for in these?
I like it when it's more like cooked. A little bit burnt.
Maybe this one? That one? None of these seem like they're like crispy.
Yeah, I think.
But they do look good. They look juicy. Of course, they're probably injecting these with all kinds
They don't
of
have
stuff,
antibiotics.
Antibiotics. I don't think you've been able to put antibiotics in chicken since the 70s.
I'll try this.
Hello. Both of those items are on sale. The cheese and the salami.
Thank you. Sandwich.
Got a little snack there, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Salami and cheese.
That does look good. That's the perfect food for a hike. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta get.
Organic spring mix. Okay, okay. That should last us for a few days as long as the ice doesn't melt and the water completely saturate all the greens like has happened to us twice. Wow. And the water. We're going through so much water. And this, in the van, I will be able to filter my own water. I know I'm not supposed to talk about that anymore. The van. Our Costco haul. Terra chips, chicken,
Roasted chicken, organic
spring mix,
hand sanitizer,
hand sanitizer,
and
case of water.
oh, and weren't we gonna look for alcohol wipes?
I don't think we need to yet, but if they have them, we can. We're also gonna pay for bags of ice,
yeah.
but you have to go up through the line, ask for the ice, and somehow they get you your ice. So.
No, we get it, but after the tire department.
Oh, maybe they give you a slip or something. Who knows?
Yeah.
That's pretty big. All right. Boom. Cool. Get that chicken goodness. Oh my goodness. This is kind of something that we figured out. I mean, it's not the best by any means, but it's fairly easy. It gives us a few meals. It's not crazy bad.
It's money saver.
It kind of saves some money. We're not able to cook our own, so you know, getting back on track. Like I said, my diet has suffered and my workouts have really suffered too. I think pretty much all I ate yesterday was pizza, and I'm still losing weight, which I don't really want to lose weight anymore. But one thing I notice is that when you fix your metabolism, you don't really gain weight from eating garbage food or a lot of food just for one day or even 2 days. because my metabolism is kind of sped up. But I'd like to get back on track just to feel good, you know? It's just not all about the weight loss or the looking fit. It's just also the feeling good. Okay, we got Sonia's chicken here in this Ziploc, and Jeff's chicken here in this Ziploc. Nice. Hold!
Okay, I need
Here, I prepared this for you and this for you. Got our greens here.
Okay.
You're not gonna hold that the whole time?
No. Oh yeah, it sticks. Well, I have it in my plate. And what do you want?
I'm good. Well, I'll have some of those. Why not? I don't have any sauce or anything. Plain greens and plain chicken breast. Gotta have a little flavor, right? Alright. Not bad though. That is what I would not want. All right.
Oh wow, gas price $3.80. That's
the best we've
lowest
seen.
I've seen in so long.
All right, let's fill it up. The old cart swap.
Yeah. Yep. All right, you're
Okay.
good to go.
Everything's different one-handed. Let's go. Here's your receipt, madam. Only foreign trash.
Good.
So many warnings. You want me to spin you?
I do.
All right.
Not too much. Might fall on my face.
If you're gonna fall, just fall.
Fall on my face?
Oh gosh, it's too heavy.
I think this. It's one of those.
I think you have to start from the top, then you get momentum. Yeah, there you go. All right. Okay, try that. All right. You got one. Nice. See, these are easier because you don't have to twist your hand on the bar. Probably this one right here.
No way.
Okay, this one in the middle. Anything. Go to this one then.
No. I can't.
No.
I did.
You
too.
burned in the lava. This is Sonia's cardio. I think we're doing enough cardio. We got plenty of cardio. Just need to get up to speed with the resistance training. Especially when I'm this skinny. I gotta have a little bit of muscle mass or it looks absolutely ridiculous. All right. Okay guys,
I just did a short workout.
we feel better. We ate good today. We had a little workout at this little park that's meant for little kids, but
We had a great smoothie.
we use it for our purposes. Oh yeah, Sonia got a smoothie. And we got all the stuff we needed at Costco. We filled up with gas. We got
filled up our
ice.
air.
We're ready to go.
Filled up our air.
Filled up the air and the
our
tire.
tire.
Nothing can stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us, guys.
All right.
Let's go.
Rock it, dude. Drop it.